Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the iPhone 15 has power and space, because dual camera modes create multiple files. Once done, unlock the phone and open camera from the home screen or swipe down to Control Center. That gets you to the live view fast. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are enabled in settings so all features work. Next, tap the chevron or swipe to reveal additional controls. This is where you'll switch lenses and enable multi-camera features to capture both perspectives. Now choose which lens combination you need. Tap 0. 5 for ultra-wide, 1x for wide, or 2x for telephoto. You'll switch quickly between perspectives. For simultaneous capture, use cinematic or compatible video modes that let the system use multiple cameras. This provides subject separation and smooth switching. Make sure to enable Pro RAW or higher quality options if you need editing latitude, and toggle live photo for a quick motion reference. Then, position the subject and steady the press record or the shutter to capture using your selected lenses, and when allowed, tap 0. 5/1x/2x to switch views mid-capture for dynamic framing. Once finished, open photos to review and use edit to fine-tune exposures or swap frames. This is why Pro RAW and higher bitrates help. If you encounter lag, frozen preview, or blurred frames, close and reopen camera, disable unnecessary background apps, and reboot the iPhone 15. That resolves most hardware selection or software conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.